Now we're really gonna have some fun. Yeah. So that last video I did in the sawmill shed here was cutting that pine, doing some dimensional. No doubt that was fun, but when I said I got the wide LT15 right here, Wood-Mizer, the wide is so I could do fun, funky stuff. I think it'll be pretty good. I'm sure there's gonna be some rot on the edges. There's a little bit, it's a little soft here, but pretty sure we're gonna get some spalting in here. Might be fun. Thought about saving this one for the chainsaw mill. We've got 4 chainsaw mills, a couple new ones coming. When I get those videos done, look for a card up there so you can see the big steel 881 with a 72-inch bar. That's pretty much a freaking beast. But this is what I wanted to do with the wide. Cut weird stuff, have fun, and big slabs and weird things. So I don't even know if I can get up that high to take a slice off there. We will find out. Start maxing this mill out, that'll be fun. But since it won't fit on their flatways, no, this is not a 250, yeah. I still think we're gonna come and get some neat things through here. This should be pretty cool right through here. And then when we get into this, that'll make some beautiful stuff. I didn't even put a tape measure on it yet. 4 or 5 feet long, so it's coffee table stuff, something like that. Yeah, let's get cutting. Very cool. Yeah, look at that. There's some really cool color. Definitely some saw stuff out on the side. There's spalting, so I'm excited to get down into here. All right, what I had to do is our clearance right up here on the mill is 46 inches, so I cut it off at 45. And then it turned out that little bit of piece right there was gonna have get in the way also. But look at how cool that stuff is. So that piece, I threw it on this side so I could mill it again. I'll throw that on there and do it as well. All right, check that out. Silver Maple Beauty. Woo! Okay, let's take a look at what we have. Yes, that's what I was hoping for. Just some absolutely pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's check the next one. Crazy. Little bark inclusion. I'm gonna flip this one off. Yeah, look at that. That is just gonna be special. Woo! Just really grooving on this color variation in here. A couple of those other ones had some really sweet figure, cool spalting as it comes in. Those are going to be fun. Someone's going to have an awesome time working with those. All right, we are going to flip this bad boy around and knock out the other part. Pretty nice. I love it when spring comes and we get a little bit of sunset going on. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna get this flipped over and we'll take a look at it. You know what I'm thinking. Damn, that's cool. All right, well, that was a hunka-funka fun silver maple that we just knocked out. All of it was 8/4. I see it heading towards like coffee table, end table, things like that. Always break it down if you need it from there. When I flipped it over, I didn't want to waste 2 inches to get down so I could finish the rest of it. So I took 2 of them off at 4/4. So these are, you know, just an inch thick, but they'll make their way into their charcuterie, something like that. You know what I'm talking about, charcuterie stock. And then you'll be able to get that, because that'll make just one heck of a cool charcuterie board when that one gets detailed out and a little bit of sanding and a little bit of love. The color in silver maple will pop out, and that will just be stunning. Anyways, one more log down. I only got a couple logs left to go before I bring any more in, but you know I'll bring more in before I get all of these cut. You know it's an addiction, but it's a fun addiction. All right, sun is setting, dogs need to get to the dog park and run, and it's time for dinner, so I gotta get home on all of that stuff. Thanks so much for following along. Glenn here at the workshop at the gardens. Thanks so much for all of your support watching the videos. I really do appreciate it, and leave me a comment. I love the comments. I am learning just like you are, so just be nice, don't be too rough, but together we're gonna like knock this out of the park, because this is just so much fun. And that's it. Enjoy.